Hi everyone, you're back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. My name is Christine and I'm your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell button to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Here inside a gated subdivision in Lapulapu City, and we will be featuring this simple yet elegant house with a land area of 120 square meters and a floor area of 121 square meters. Now join me in this house tour. Right now we are here in the carport, which can fit at least 2 cars. And this is the front yard. It's very spacious. It's very nice if you're gonna put your plants here, just like what the owners are doing. We have here a newly installed water tank. Welcome to your beautiful home. As you enter this very beautiful house, we have here the living area. From the living area, let's head straight to the dining area. And here, we also have our common toilet and bathroom. Then, maid's quarter right after the toilet and bath, but at the moment, we cannot see it for privacy reasons. After that, we have here the very spacious kitchen area. All the things that you see are already included in the sale. This house can be yours for only 7 million pesos. Now let's head to the service area. Check, we have a huge 2-door fridge. Then from there, we head straight to the service area where they do most of the laundry. Now let's go up to the second floor where the bedrooms are located. We're now heading to the bedroom areas here in the second floor. So here we have 3 bedrooms and a shared toilet and bathroom. This is the shared toilet and bathroom here in the second floor. And mind you guys that we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bathrooms for this simple yet elegant house. This is bedroom number 1. And then, this is the very cute room for the kids that serves as the bedroom number 2. Nice KAAYO. Check the customized beds and also the customized cabinets. It's really nice and cozy for the kids. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention that we also have a pull-out bed here, just in case you got 2 kids, first kid here and the second kid here. Wow, it's very nice. I like this. Now let's head to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is also air-conditioned just like the other 2 rooms, and it also has a built-in cabinet. And as you see, this can fit a queen-size bed. This is also a customized queen-size bed. So to wrap up everything about this classy and elegant property, this house has a lot area of 120 square meters and a floor area of 121 square meters. We are inside a gated subdivision with a 24-hour security. And it got you 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bathrooms, and a maid's quarter. Everything that you see is already included in the sale. Price is 7 million pesos, and it is located here in Lapulapu City, Cebu, and we are pretty close to churches, malls, and also hospitals. So name it, everything is within your reach. So if you want to have an actual view of this property and have a site visit, please contact us at 0917-7999-429, or you may send us an email at cebuelegantproperties@gmail.com. You can also reach us through Facebook. Our Facebook page is Cebu Elegant Properties. Once again, I'm Christine, your trusted Cebuano licensed real estate broker, and with Cebu Elegant Properties, we turn your realty dreams into a reality. Stay safe and God bless.